I'm at 88 Crescent Street where a whole lot of tree cutting is going on preparatory to building, I guess, 3 condos, and we're trying to figure out if the plan to leave the existing trees as they promised in the special permit is actually happening. There's been cutting in the area there, right sunny area, but also thinning in the backyard, and all the way up to the fence there. So that was probably a structurally unsound tree, but the rest of these look healthy and definitely bigger than 8 caliper inches diameter. So they would be covered under the tree ordinance, and even smaller ones back here, like these, too small for the tree ordinance, but the special permit said all the vegetation was going to stay back here, and it hasn't.